to the track this morning, and the weather is chance of rain. So, you know where that movie, right? Glided with the chance of meatballs, which kind of sucks. So, we're going up to the track right now. Rod just got several pit spots saved. Good morning, guys. Welcome to 6 December 2024. It's raining out. So, we got the awning set up here. You know, we got pits. Although blue skies are coming in, it's supposed to clear out in about 45 minutes, I guess. Then maybe the next cell might come in around 2. So I don't think they might not run everybody as long, make sure everybody gets passes in at least. So once the rain stops, we'll get the cars changed over and, you know, start making some passes, get ready to go. Yeah, see how the posse's all huddled all done up underneath the awning. Roger's right there. He was kind enough to save us a bunch of spots this morning. I was just a few minutes behind him. Then when Corey and Zach get here, you know, we've got some spots saved for them. And just to give you an idea, there's pit lane entrance, so we got a straight shot to the pit lanes, you know, to make sure we get there first, and you know, we can, if we can, hot lap real fast. Raj is out here trying to get his favorite spot on the track. You can see right down there, he's kind of marked it a little bit, you know, so I think he's kind of getting himself some spots out of the groove, you know, so those where he's swiping is not in the groove, but kind of gives him an idea where he wants to line up. So, and then there's the boss, Mr. Bailey.
For the first 3 days. So please pay attention to the PA system. I know it is deep in here, so you should be able to hear it everywhere on the property, including...
So this is a cool place. You can see you'll be doing an uphill burnout. D-class cars with lines, you'll do your uphill burnout. You know, make your pass all the way down. Return road is actually, you know, in front of the stands here, right here, which is really cool. You know, and this place will be packed later. You can see everybody's already lined up down there. A lot of people are already in the pits. So, but there is weather coming in, so they are going to limit us. Looks like maybe one pass, you know, quick run through, and then if there's time, obviously you'll go to some sort of ball run at that point. So you got to make your best. So guys, we're in the middle of the manufacturer's midway, and you can see there's Tom Bailey's merch line, and it goes around and around and all the way down and back. So huge line for the merch trailer. You got Peak here today. You know, we got Wire Care. We've got Mickey Thompson, Red Horse, Gear Vendors. So, and then we'll go over and you can see, you know, everybody that's in the impound area, and there's a huge crowd over there. So all the spectators are kind of wandering around right now. About 10 minutes, we'll go live. All right, guys, Jace is coming up. Make his lick. See what he can do here.
His father kid standing in front of him saying, hey, I need you to adjust the right spot, please. As Jace follows the footsteps of his brother Cole, who participated in his first Dragon Drive last year. Cole is driving the purple Sunday. Jace driving the LCD wagon. If you see this thing in the pit area, take a look at the rear of it. It's got a whole bunch of yellow tape on it, and it says rookie stripe. So again, the Weimar family out here, I believe, and I'm going to do the math here. I think it's 4 cars here. They have multiple
tire pressure set at 19.5. Told him where the tackle was at. See what he wants to do. And where it was not tacky, definitely outside the groove there's tack. So being a slick car, he doesn't want the tacky. right, guys, so they just closed lanes to AB Radial, and we are next to go. So hopefully, we kind of left everything the same. What we think is may have tried to run too far on the nitrous bottle, and maybe it didn't have enough nitrous in it. I mean, there was still probably 4 pounds in it when I made the pass, maybe a little more than 4 pounds. When we weighed it, it was basically only had about 3 pounds left. So we're wondering if we just pushed the bottle too far. So we got a fresh bottle in it. We added a little bit more fuel to the back bowl. And we're gonna see, we left the 56 jet with the 41 fuel. It's real humid. Water grains are real high. So we're gonna give that a try and see what kind of pass we make. So anyway, we are real close to going, so we'll get back to you here in just a minute when I pick up the ticket and see how it launches and rolls.
The Reimers family, the Reimers by birth and the Reimers extended family. Go Reimers, and the purple people eater Mustang left-hand side. The USA and the first wagon car ever this summer last year. He's on the left-hand side. Michael Turner in the 1970 Dodge Star Swinger. It says adopted by Reimers. Yes, I was actually confirmed by it. The head of the Reimers family actually came up and told me that he is now adopted from the red-headed Sesame. Now adopted from the red-headed Sesame. So Cole going down left-hand side, Michael Turner in the Dodge Dart Swinger going down right-hand side. Cole's out in front. He goes 10:43 at 1.
See what I mean, guys, about the grandstands being packed? Here we are on the return road right in front of them. You know, grandstands there, a lot of people lined up here with their tents. Huge crowd. Look at the stands. And look at the stands there. Right? So I say, look at this, man. Packed house. Alright, guys. Rick is the final car to go up to the C group. Final car in our run session. And then it looks like they're going to prep for slick tires. $10.20 for Rick. Alright guys, so we stopped at the first checkpoint. Cole did an epic burnout. We're on our way to the second checkpoint. It's a pretty cool checkpoint. It's kind of an automotive museum. There will be definitely trailer burnouts there. There were last year, so unless somebody calls somebody to come out and stop the shenanigans, there should be some pretty good burnouts there. So anyway, we're on to checkpoint number 2. We stopped and had some lunch, which is something we normally don't do. And now we are on spread to the second checkpoint. It's 108 miles, I don't know if I mentioned it. 108-mile drive today, and then from there to the hotel. So in reality, Rockford, Illinois is not that far from the track, but they're obviously taking us the longer route, because it is drag and drive. So anyway, we'll see you guys at the second checkpoint. Maybe we'll try to grab a video too of any trailer burnouts, and yeah, we'll go from there. So maybe enjoy a little time lapse of the drive. So I was just looking at the standings, and Cole is sitting in 7th place right now in the dial you're on. We're in the same class together. His brother Jace is in, I think it was 53rd place. And actually Jace's spread is better than his Uncle Mike's. So, of course, Mike's been having problems all week. His spread's like 1.2 and Jace's is like 0.2 something. I'm sitting 41st. So I was giving Mike the business about how his nephew, Jace, had a better spread than he did in his first Dragon Hunt. So we were all joking and laughing about it. So anyway, see if we can't sneak into, maybe 39 tomorrow or something. So the goal is to hit our spread tomorrow and see if we can finish in the top 40 at least. I kind of salvaged it after my mistake. On Wednesday at Tri-State. So we learned again, we learned a lot. But I figured I'd kind of give you an update on kind of where the standings are. I'm only a few minutes from the hotel now, almost there, and I'll be there before 8:30, which is I think the earliest we've made it in so far. So once we get there, we'll give you a little recap, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, so we're at the hotel. Got the car secured for the night. A couple other racers are here as well. There's a few more up top. Dean, who drives like the 62 to 65 white Nova, is here. Anyway, it's time to take a shower and kick back, relax, and download all kinds of videos from the last few days. I'm not editing this week. I'll do all the editing next week, which you'll see about a week after the race. So anyway, guys, hey, nice pink sky behind me. Anyway, we'll see you guys bright and early for day 5. Run order is we get to go first, C group that is. Then they'll run AB. I don't remember if it was slick or radial. I think it's radial. Then they'll go AB slick and then D. Quarantine cannot run during C class. So hopefully I can stick it right in between. Like I said, I'm sitting 41st. Maybe we can move up 1 or 2 spots and say we had a top 40 finish. That's kind of the target now. See what we can do. Now that we know what we had, where we're going, and what we found and what I learned, we won't make the same mistakes.